Before I start, here is me in a voice over telling you कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। 50,000 हो गए तो मजे आ जाएंगे। बेल का बटन दबा देना और भी बेहतर। सारे रिव्यूज की खबर आती रहेगी। हाय, आ गई मैं वापस to watch and talk about a movie which is claiming it's capable of doing this. So had Indian cinema lost its glory? Does Rajamouli succeed in bringing it back? Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel for another movie review. Today we are talking about S.S. Rajamouli's big budget extravaganza Raudram Ranam Rudiram Rise Roar Revolt or RRR. जिसका I watched the Hindi dub out of curiosity. And the PVR I was at, it had vibrating seats. How I'm ever going to go back to watching movies without vibrating seats? I don't know. But I digress. RRR is a fictionalized retelling of a time in India's freedom struggle. At the center are cinematic versions of two real-life freedom fighters, Alluri Sitaram Raju and Kumaram Bhim. Their stories reshaped to suit Rajamouli's grand design. And design is what the film is offering and what this film frankly delivers on. Mythology, masculinity, Hinduism and general superstar action poses create such an intricate, meticulous tapestry on the giant screen in front of you. You forget that this film is set within India's freedom struggle. The colonizers themselves are reduced to frothy, cartoonishly evil, one-tone monsters, and everyone else responsible for enabling India's independence, people and organizations are entirely left out to enhance the heavily embellished stories of the two lead characters. See, not that this style of storytelling is bad storytelling, it's just very, very extra. Characters jump off of inanimate objects like superheroes would. One's introduction scene has him defeating a mob of hundreds within 10 minutes, the other wins over a literal tiger. When this excellently crafted display of robust manliness subsides for a brief bit and Rajamouli plus co-writer K.V. Vijayendra Prasad go into the people behind the muscle, the men who had to forego all life plans to join the freedom movement, is when the movie begins to speak to you a little bit. While Ram Charan's introduction sequence left me feeling queasy for multiple reasons, it's N.T. Ramarao Jr.'s Bhim who brings the sentiment, which might invite you to look for this film's emotional core. Bhim is a Gond tribal. His intro shot has him bathed in blood, baiting a wolf. While he runs towards the trap he set for the wolf, he realizes a tiger is now chasing him, and using brute strength, sharp wit, and learnings from his community, he overcomes the situation and comes out victorious. Rajamouli's whole approach to this character is established within this exhilarating sequence. It's an intro scene with such dedication, जिसके लिए मतलब कोई भी actor बिच जाएगा यार. As you can probably tell at this point, RRR is trying the most. इतने पैसे टिकट पे खर्च नहीं किए जितना this film wants me to वसूल. फिर complaints नहीं आनी चाहिए कि मजे नहीं आए. तो गोरे लोगों का अत्याचार भी दिखाएंगे, लेकिन one गोरा and brown person dance off भी है बीच में. Ram Charan won't just punch people, he'll also punch holes in walls. N.T. Ramarao Jr. won't just save a young Gond girl from captivity, he will also have a white woman fall in love with his simple, adorable ways. It's all dialed up to 11, including a strong homoerotic undercurrent, and everyone on screen is in on it. RRR doesn't offer much in terms of emotional or cerebral gratification, but K.K. Senthil Kumar's cinematography, coupled with A. Shrikar Prasad's editing, set to M.M. Kirwani's rousing music, more than makes up for the lack of a compelling screenplay, because it pauses and restarts constantly. These aren't mere men, these are deities flying in slow motion. The film fully morphing into a hybrid of Ramayana and Mahabharata in the second half, and I just had to stop watching it as a film critic looking to translate this for an audience. You see, RRR needs no translation. Its only commitment is towards overwhelming the viewers with expansive landscape, ridiculously well choreographed action sequences with fire and water and animals and two very angry, very indestructible men. Alia Bhatt gets one scene with some dialogue, the rest only has her crying, missing her husband. Shriya Saran doesn't even get to do that. I mean, the title RRR was apparently an abbreviation for Rajamouli, Ram Charan and N.T. Ramarao Jr. So अब खून मचल रहा है असली गोली चलाने के लिए। ऐसे डायलॉग को नजरअंदाज करके अगर उड़ता हुआ गोरा ग्रैबिंग अ राइफल मिड एयर फॉर द परफेक्ट शॉट, ऐसे शॉट्स में आपकी दिलचस्पी है। इमोशनल कोर की तलाश में निकल के अगर अनएंडिंग फ्लाइंग एरोज गोइंग थ्रू थ्रोट्स इज योर जैम, इफ यू आर मोर मैक्सिमम देन मिनिमम, RRR will work for you. For me, not so much. थिएटर्स में लगी है, जाके देखो। Thanks for watching ये रिव्यू। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट्स में बताओ what you thought of RRR also, okay? क्योंकि रिव्यू मेरा थोड़ा लेट आया, आपने शायद देख ली होगी अभी तक। और इंस्टाग्राम पे आओ, शादी की फोटोज एंड ऑल कमिंग अप। सब्सक्राइब करके आना प्लीज। ओके बाय।